In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a sheet to a different spreadsheet in Google Sheets. This can be particularly handy when you're working on multiple projects and need to share or consolidate data without recreating it from scratch. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to open the Google Sheets document that contains the sheet you wish to copy. You can do this by navigating to your Google Drive, locating your file, and opening it. Once your sheet is loaded, you'll see the Sheet tabs located at the bottom part of your window. Find the tab of the specific sheet you want to copy. Next, hover your mouse over the tab's name. You should see a small arrow appearing on the right side of the tab. Go ahead and click on that arrow. This will open a menu with various options. In the menu, look for and click on the Copy To option. This function allows you to duplicate the selected sheet into another spreadsheet. Next, you will need to specify where the sheet should be copied. Select the option labeled Existing Spreadsheet. After selecting this, a dialog will appear, prompting you to search for the file into which you want your sheet to be copied. If you know the name of the spreadsheet, enter it into the search field. Google will search your drive for matching results. Once you find the spreadsheet you want to use, you have two options. You can directly paste the URL of the spreadsheet into the given field if you've already copied it to your clipboard. This is a quick way to locate your file if you have a lot of spreadsheets. When you locate the correct file, click on it to select it. You will see a confirmation pop-up showing which file has been selected. After ensuring it's the right file, click the Insert button. This will paste a copy of your sheet into the chosen spreadsheet. Finally, hit Done to complete the process. A notification might pop up to let you know that your sheet has been successfully copied. To verify, you can click on View to open up the spreadsheet you just modified and check that your sheet has been successfully inserted. And that's it. You've just copied a sheet from one spreadsheet to another in Google Sheets. This method preserves your data and any formulas, allowing you to continue working seamlessly across different files. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching, and happy spreadsheet managing.